Okay, when you start to face this issue, you can see the Gmail is failed to log in. Okay, you can see here, verify your account. When you start to face this issue, let's fix it quick. Let's fix it quick. But we also, if this method not work for you, you can check the link below the description to for our previous method. We have method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4. So you can also check the link below the description. When you are perform factory reset, it's not going to be work. When you are perform factory reset, it's not going to be work. So this one is the method 3 or method 4. Okay, because I make two methods at the same time. That's why I'm saying like that too. When you are set screen lock, is not going to be work. Let's try screen lock. See, screen lock. So what are you going to do over here? We are going to fix this very quick. You can see it's not working. Turn off your phone like this, and let factory reset it again by press power button, up volume, release power button when you see the TECNO logo, and hold on the up volume. Turn off your phone again and press power button for 3 seconds and down volume. Let me show you well, like this. Okay, like this. When you see the TECNO logo, release the power button and still hold on the down volume. Now use the down volume and select wipe data factory reset and come down, power button, and let's go. Wait till your phone reboot. After your phone reboot, then we fix the main problem. Okay, we need these two. After I get these two, I'm going to write the name in the screen. After I get these two, but if you don't have these two, you can use unlock tool, which I made video for the unlock tool. So check the link below the description for if you have unlock tool. The unlock tool also work for it. So but some model don't work, unlock don't work for some model. So if you have unlock tool, you can try that. Check that video below the description, and if this one doesn't work for you, you can check other methods below the description, and then let's go. But if you have unlocked to it, just go straight to the description and click on that link and watch that video to fix the problem. Okay, since I'm using TECNO, I need to check select TECNO. After launch the tool, I need to select TECNO. After I select TECNO, I'm using TECNO. Let me check for my here. You need to check your model name, like this, and come here, and click on your model name and come here, the number 1. Turn off your phone. After turn off your phone, simple connect your cable not work because you didn't use the handshake. Let's try it again. This one you need to press the volume down and the up and connect your cable. Hold on it till everything works successful. Now you can see formatting okay, reboot done. So that means we are done. Let's on our phone, remove the cable and let's on our phone. Okay, the phone on automatically. If your phone don't on automatically, just on it. Let's wait till our phone reboot and let's try it again. Okay, now our phone have reboot, so let's check. Let my country and let's go. Escape this place and let's go. And ready, and let's try to add our Google account. Sorry, I did not connect Wi-Fi, so let me connect my Wi-Fi. Let's wait till the Wi-Fi is connected. And now let's go back and go to users and accounts. Add accounts, Google. Now you can see here sign in. So now we can sign in, use our Google account. Now let's sign in our Google account. You can see now my Google account is 100% signed in. All I need is this. You can see now I can set screen lock. You can see now my screen lock is working. So thank you for watching this video. Also, if this method not work for you, check the link below the description. Also, if you want to follow us on all platforms, you can also check the link below the description. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video again.